Hello guys, welcome, and this tutorial we will know how to create such complex 3D wall decor panel in SketchUp. So here we will discuss two methods. First one is free, another one is using a paid plugin. So let's start. So this is the image that I have imported. Now you have to select shape polygon option, then just click over at the center of this image and drag to draw a hexagon like that. Okay. Now here I am pressing K. K is a shortcut key for a X-ray that I have created shortcut key K as a X-ray vision. Okay. Now here you have to draw a lines just like that. So this is line is not visible. So I'm going on a style option, then click edit and just on edge option. Okay. Now you have to just uh, draw a line like that. Just connecting these points over to over here. Okay, now here you have to select all faces. Then you have to use poke option, vertex poke option. So just click and drag. Here I am dragging 2 inches. Okay, now this is instantly done without any extra effort, but this plugin is paid. Okay, so there is another option that will help you to create a same pattern, 3D pattern. So here I am just copying it, and now here what you'll have to do, you have to just draw a line like that. Okay, just follow same uh, thing over here that I am doing here. Okay, so now delete extra lines. Now you have to just select move tool and then click over the vertex and move it in a direction. Here I am moving in a green direction. Okay, green axis direction. So you have to do with every points one by one. Now guys, you can see that what is the difference between using a paid plugin or just doing manually in a SketchUp. So both panel are same. Okay. So this is the method to create such a complex 3D wall decor panel in SketchUp. Okay. If you have some kind of crease and lines and forming a some kind of 3D shapes like that. Okay. You have to do same things. So guys, if you really like my video, please share, like and subscribe. And I have uploaded this 3D model on SketchUp 3D warehouse. There is a link in the description. You can download this panel to use for your project. So guys, thanks for watching. Have fun. See you next tutorial. Thank you.